is H from Twinkl.
Let's take a look at our Environmental Awareness Activity Booklet for ages 3 to 5. First up, milk carton fairy houses. Once you have cleared your carton and rinsed it out under the tap, draw out your doors and windows and then cut them out with the help of an adult. Begin to add your decoration. You can go as little or as detailed as you like. You could also place it in the garden to let the fairies find it. Next, we have a recycling bin beanbag toss. An alternative to this activity could be using food carton boxes or toilet roll tubes as skittles and using an old sock and rice to create your own beanbags. You could complete the 2D shape repeating pattern using coloured pencils, or you could go extra, cut it out and make your own repeating patterns. These simple sentences are a great way to practice your reading skills. There are sound buttons and a picture to help. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. And your picture to help. You could even cut the sentences up and play a matching game. This recycling maze is an awesome way to practice your pencil control skills. You can try regrowing vegetables or making an Earth Day dirt cake using our recipe in the booklet. We made the shaving foam marbled earth, which was really fun, and you could use the foam for messy play afterwards. Once you have squirted the foam into the tray, use a knife with an adult's supervision to level it all off ready. Then you will need to add food colouring and give it a swirl. Once you've finished making your green and blue swirl, place the paper on top nice and firm. Give it a pat. Wipe off all the excess shaving foam, cut out a circle, and there you have it. And don't forget to make full use of our activity booklet. Use the front cover for mindful colouring.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.